In the fifth status report, dated 15 October 2024, submitted by the DIG, Head of Branch, Special Crime 1 CBI, it has been stated that on the basis of the investigation conducted thus far, a charge sheet has been submitted on 7 October 2024.
Yes.
For alleged offences punishable under section 64, 66, 103(1) of the BNS 2023 against accused Sanjay Roy. The ACJM Sealdah, by an order dated 7 October 2024, the ACJM Sealdah has taken cognizance of the offences, and committed the case to the Court of the Additional Sessions Judge, First Court, Sealdah. The hearing for consideration on charge has been fixed on 4 November 2024. Next, the status report filed by the CBI indicates that further investigation into the alleged role of others in relation to the alleged rape and murder on 9 August 2024 is the subject matter of the continuing investigation.
Page 6 bottom, your lordships would find easily, my lord, what is in progress. It may not be necessary to record it, my lord, just
Yes.
for your lordships.
The CBI has also received communications pertaining to certain aspects which have been highlighted by parties appearing in the present proceedings through their counsel. Those matters are also being looked into by the CBI. Independently, the CBI has further highlighted the developments which have taken place in the course of the investigation in the case of financial irregularities in Arjikor Medical College and Hospital, which is being investigated in FIR number RC 0102 024 A 0007. The further investigation along the lines of the further investigation, both in respect of the incident which took place on 9 August 2024 and in regard to the alleged financial irregularities, may continue. The court shall be apprised of the further status of the investigation in that regard. The status report be submitted to this court within a period of 3 weeks.
Would your lordship like to take cognizance of the affidavit filed on the progress of the task force? They are
I'd like to see what the task force has done, because that's very crucial.
We have filed an affidavit, but
you can give us,
I can give a copy. Copies are served on everyone, my lord, because this is.
Yeah, the copy.
Yeah, of course.
You have another copy?
And my lord, CBI officials are in direct touch with the parents of the deceased And
Meeting them and keeping them posted.
they are come,
Okay. It will be little, both the one Solicitor General and Ms. Linda Global and Counsel have stated that the CBI has been actively in contact with the parents of the deceased
Yes.
and have kept the parents apprised
Steen.
of the progress of the investigation.
yes,
Also, my lords, I've received from them the nodal officer, which Mehti has now appointed, in order to pull down any such material that may.
any material which infringes upon the privacy of
court
the
will also apply
deceased
to the
or of the
fact that,
family.
The Ministry of Electronics and that mighty has nominated a nodal officer who is in contact with the parents of the deceased so that any offending material which is uploaded on any electronic website can be immediately pulled down.
Please, my lords.
Instead of the website, your lordships may say
Immediately.
any intermediary.
Yes,
On
Because
any-
all in.
all right.
All websites are not intermediary.
On any platform.
Any intermediary platform.
Intermediary platforms.
Please, my lords.
Obliged.
So, Solicitor, what is the position of the task force actually?
Lord, the task force has, my lord, received some suggestions. If your lordships can only come to, my lord, page, Lord, 8. Page 8 of my affidavit, your lordships have? Lord, it
Yes.
is- Yes. Lord, page 8, para 11. It is submitted that approximately 7,688 hospitals, medical establishments submitted their response.
This is on that questionnaire which was floated.
Yes, yes.
But you have now constituted 4 subgroups of the task force
Yes.
by your OM dated uh, by your OM dated 5th of September 2024.
Correct, my lord. That,
Now, between 5th of September and today, what has happened?
well, your lordships would find that on page 4, para 8. Last meeting was 9th of September, but para 8.
But
is
after
submitted-
9th September, what has the task force done? No meeting after 9th?
No meeting after.
Then 9th.
The
now
last meeting
15th,
was
then on the 15th of October.
Last meeting was 9th of September.
But why is there no progress between the 9th of October and today?
But I can request them to expedite because the secretary is only secretary to the body. But the work appears to be humongous. If your lordship sees para
So
A,
we see that because they have collected data from all over the country.
that's in hundreds and thousands. For example, para 8, just read, my lord, for
But,
your
you know,
consideration.
The task force must expedite the work because
My lords are right. My lord, I bow down. 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received so far, out of which approximately 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals, have submitted their inputs. These inputs are being segregated and categorized for consideration of the concerned subgroups constituted under the National Task Force. And, my lord, page 8, we have said, my lord, that total, my lord, responses are 7,688 and 4,990 from state government and 2,436 from private sector and other categories 183. But this would be I think whatever now the task force does, it would be a long-lasting solution, it seems. Therefore, they are also taking their time, going into each of the suggestion inputs, etc.
order of this pursuant to the order of this court dated 20 August 2024, the Union government issued an office memorandum on 21 August 2024, constituting a national task force